Namaste बच्चों. Today we'll continue with the other half of this chapter number 12, that is Anuswar तथा Chandrabindu. In the previous class we had discussed about the Anusar symbol and today we'll be discussing about Chandrabindu. So this is the letter A and the symbol for A is sleeping line and on the top a small curve with a dot. This symbol we say Chandra Bindu. Here you can see the first word Aankh. Aankh means eye. So when we pronounce this word, you might have noticed that the sound comes from both mouth and nose. Aankh. Next one, Dant. Dant means teeth. Chand. Chand means moon. So here we are using this Chandrabindu symbol with other letters. The last one is Oont. So with we are using this Chandrabindu and the word is Oont. Oont means camel. Now this is the word A and the symbol is first sleeping line, a small curve and on the top a dot. For example, we are using this with a Vyanjan letter Ka and we pronounce it Ka. So that means short sound of Ka plus this A symbol and we pronounce it Ka. Same way, if we are using it with Vyanjan letter Ta, we say Ta, or when we are using with Ga, we say Ga. So we pronounce it with both mouth and nose. Next, we'll see few letters here. You can see the first Vyanjan letter Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. And when we add this sound, the sound is Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nga. Next one, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Iya. And when we add this symbol, it sounds Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Iya. Next set of Vyanjan letters, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And when we add this symbol, it sounds Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Next set of Vyanjan letters, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And when we add this symbol, it sounds Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Next one, Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. And when we add this symbol, we pronounce Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. Next set of Vyanjan letters, Ya, Ra, La, Va. And when we add, it sounds Ya, Ra, La, Va. Next one, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. And when we add this symbol, it sounds Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. And the last set of Vyanjan letters is Cha, Tra, Gya, Shra. So we rarely use this symbol with those set of Vyanjan letters. Next one, in page number 70, you can see Padhiye or Samjhiye. That means read and understand. So few words are there with this symbol and the words are Ju. Ju means lice. Next one is Samp. Samp means snake. Next column, Ma. Ma means mother. And here this word is Panch. Panch means 5. Ghoont. Ghoont means sip. Kanch means glass. Sund means trunk. Pav means feet. Here this word is Muh. Muh means mouth. Next one is Ungli. Ungli means finger. Next one is Yaha. Yaha means here. Avla means Indian gooseberry. It's a fruit. Next one is Tang. Tang means leg. Anguti means finger ring. Next one, wahan. Wahan means there. The last one is basuri. Basuri means flute. So these are the words with a symbol. Next one, you can see here few sentences are there. This also you have to just listen the pronunciation carefully and identify the swar letters and the vyanjan letters. The first line, आंख, दांत, बाह और टांग करते हैं सब चांद की मांग, घर में माँ अंगूठी पहने देखो सबसे हंसकर कहती आओ 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 हंसो हंसो हंसकर दिखलाओ. वंस अगेन, आंख, दांत, बाह और टांग करते हैं सब चांद की मांग, घर में माँ अंगूठी पहने देखो सबसे हंसकर कहती आओ 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 हंसो हंसो हंसकर दिखलाओ. Next one, you can see we have word meanings, that means shabdarth. So the first one is dang. Dang means astonished. Next one, sansar, world. Khamba means pillar. Panja, claw. Jungle, forest. Puna means again. Next column, shane means slow. Ma, mother. Anguti, ring. Basuri, flute. Pav, foot. Samp, snake. Ungli, finger. Amla, gooseberry. Next one, panch means 5. Kanch, glass. Soond, trunk. And the last one is chand. Chand means moon. So these are the words with meaning. Now let's move on to the exercise part. The first exercise, in Hindi we say abhyas. पहला प्रश्न, चित्र पहचानिए और पढ़िए. So you have to identify these pictures and read. So the first one is shank. Shank means shell. So you can see here we are using this anusar symbol. Shank. Next one, ghanti. Ghanti means bell. Third one, hans. Hans means goose. The last one here, it's anda. Anda means egg. Next row, bandar. Bandar means monkey. Santra, orange. Patang, kite. The last one is jhanda. Jhanda means flag. So you can see here we are using anusar symbol. So this you have to read it and understand it. Now let's move on to the second exercise. The question is, प्रश्न है, पढ़िए, अक्षर जोड़िए और लिखिए. So you have to read, join and write the word. So here you can see vyanjan letter gha plus anusar symbol plus vyanjan letter ta with a symbol. And now we have to join and make a word. And the word is ghanta. That means bell. Same way, this is vyanjan letter pa, anusar symbol and vyanjan letter kha. So the word is pank. So you have to write this word here, pank. Third one, this is vyanjan letter na plus vyanjan letter ma plus aha symbol. So we have already discussed this in the previous class. It is known as visarg symbol and this has a short ha sound. And when we join this, the word is na, ma, ha. We say nama. Next one, pa plus u symbol. The sound is pu plus vyanjan letter na plus aha symbol. And the word is punah. So you can see that this has a ha sound at the last. Punah. So this was the second exercise. Now let's move on to the third one. प्रश्न है, the question is, उचित स्थान पर अनुस्वार या चंद्र बिंदु लगाइए. So you have to put these two symbols, that is Anuswar or Chandra Bindu at right place. So first one is already done it for you, and the word is Danda. So you can see we are using here Anusar symbol. The word is Danda. Danda means stick. Next, the correct word is Sansar, and the spelling is, you have to put this Anusar symbol. The word is Sansar. Sansar means world. The correct word is Chand. So here we have to put this Chandra Bindu symbol. The word is Chand. Chand means moon. The fourth correct word is Langur. So you have to put here Anusar symbol, and the meaning is baboon. The word is Langur. Next one is Gaon. So here also you have to put Chandra Bindu symbol. The word is Gaon. Gaon means village. Here next word is Boond. So we will be putting this Chandra Bindu symbol. The word is Boond. Boond means drops. Next word is Thand. Thand means cold, and we will be using this Anuswar symbol. The last one is Dant. So here we will be using Chandra Bindu symbol, and Dant means teeth. So this was the third exercise. Next we will move on to the fourth one, that is in page number 72, and the question is Padhiye or Jode Banaiye. So you can see both the sides pictures are there, and in the middle names are there, and now you have to match it. So the first one is already done it for you. The first picture is a stick. So in Hindi we say Danda. Next one is wing, and in Hindi we say Pankh. So you have to match it. The third picture here is of a baboon, and in Hindi we say Langur. On the other side you can see the first picture is of a bell, and in Hindi we say Ghanti. So you have to match it. Next one, grapes, and we say Angur. The last one is a flag. We say Jhanda. So this is the way to do the fourth exercise. Now let's move on to the fifth one. प्रश्न है चित्र देखकर सही शब्द लिखिए. So you have to write the names of these given pictures. So you can see the first picture is of a jhanda. Jhanda means flag. So first you have to write Jha, Da, A symbol, and on the top Anusar symbol, Jhanda. Next one is Anghuti. Anghuti means ring. So first A, Ga, U symbol, Tha, E symbol, and Chandra Bindu, Anghuti. Next one is Ankh. Ankh means eye. A, Chandra Bindu, and Kha, Ankh. The last one is Pankh. Pankh means wing. So Pa, Kha, and Anuswar symbol. So this is the fifth exercise. Now let's move on to the sixth one. प्रश्न है, प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. So you have to answer the following. First one is का. The question is बंदरिया के साथ कौन आया. So here बंदरिया means a female monkey. So the meaning is who came with the female monkey. Next one, बंदरिया ने क्या पहना था. That means what she was wearing. गा, बंदर वाला क्या बजा रहा था. So what the monkey man was playing. Now let's see the answer. The first one is का. बंदरिया के साथ कौन आया. The answer is बंदरिया के साथ बंदर आया. So here बंदर is a male monkey. खा, बंदरिया ने क्या पहना था. Answer is बंदरिया ने साड़ी पहना था. Last one, बंदर वाला क्या बजा रहा था? The answer is बंदर वाला डमरू बजा रहा था. So this is the sixth exercise. Now let's move on to the next one. Here the question is देखिए, समझिए और लिखिए. That means see, understand and write. So we have already discussed about the swan letters and their symbols. Here you can see the swan letters, the first column, second column matra, that means the symbols of these swan letters. And here you can see the Vyanjan letters. So first one is already done it for you. The letter is ka, and here we will be using all the matras with this Vyanjan letter. So ka, and the first swar letter is a. Next one is a, and its symbol is a standing line and on the top sleeping line. So when we add this symbol with Vyanjan letter ka, we write ka plus a symbol and we say ka. Next one is E swar letter plus the symbol, and this is the way to write ki. Next one, E plus the symbol and we write ki. Next one, U with U symbol and we write ku. Next one, U, it has a longer sound and this is a symbol for U, and when we add this with Vyanjan letter ka, it sounds ku. Next one is Ri, and when we add this Ri symbol to ka, we say kr. Next one, A, and when we add this A symbol with ka, we say ke. Next one is A, and when we add this A symbol with ka, we say ke. Next one is O, so when we add this O with ka, we say ko. Next one is Au, and when we add this Au symbol with ka, we say cow. Next one is Ang, and this is the Anusar symbol, and when we add this with ka, we say kang. And the last one is Aha, and this is the Visarga symbol, and when we add this with ka, we say ka. So same way you have to do for the other Vyanjan letters. This one you have to do it in your textbook and then upload in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.